When it comes to communication, there are a lot of apps that can be used. Two of the most widely used apps that are for communication are Slack and Discord. In this video, we will compare these two apps, so you can choose the app that is best for you. Slack is a messaging app for business that connects people in an organization by bringing people to work as a team. Slack transforms the way different organizations communicate. Discord is an app that was developed to allow gaming communities to connect at one point. Both Discord and Slack support communication through text, video or audio calls. Slack offers better features when texting, as it has 3 ways that allows user to communicate. You can use direct messaging, channels, or threads for texting on Slack. On the other hand, Discord offers its users voice and video calls with higher quality. For file sharing, Discord allows free users to share files of up to 8 MB while Nitro Classic user can share up to 100 MB files. Meanwhile, Slack lets you share files of up to 1 GB at a time, and you can store up to 5 GB with Slack free. In conclusion, Slack is better for small teams that need a chat tool for work. Discord is better if you need better voice and video call capabilities.